Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of X Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.